What if I told you that your ability to receive love, success, and wisdom depends on the size of your spiritual vessel? In Kabbalah, expanding your vessel means unlocking infinite abundance. Stay with me as we dive into this profound wisdom. Imagine your spiritual vessel as a cup. If it's small, it can only hold just a little water. But if you expand it, you can receive much more. Kabbalah teaches that we must transform in order to increase our ability to receive divine energy. The secret is this: if you only want things for yourself, your vessel will stay small. But when you desire to receive in order to share with others, your vessel starts to expand. This is the law of spiritual flow. When you truly value what you already have, you open the door for even greater blessings. Ego acts as a barrier, but humility clears the path, allowing the universe's light and abundance to flow effortlessly into your life. Studying deep spiritual wisdom, like the teachings of Kabbalah, stretches your mind and increases your capacity to receive divine energy. Meditation and reflection help align you with higher truths. Negative emotions create blockages. If your vessel is filled with resentment, how can light enter? Transforming these traits through self-awareness and kindness makes room for abundance. When you align with love, kindness, and divine truth, you become a channel for light. Acts of kindness, prayer, and deep spiritual connection help you expand infinitely. Now that you know the secret, it's time to take action. Start today. Practice gratitude, give to others, and expand your understanding. Subscribe for more Kabbalistic wisdom, and let's transform together.